Hello, Rajesh this side. Today we're gonna do some of the basic functions of NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. First of all, we need to import NumPy so that we can use it. So we'll import NumPy as NP, and now we'll press Control Enter, and now we're gonna make an array. Which we now we're gonna make an array. For making an array, we will use the array function. So for that, we need to first assign the name of the array. So a is equal to np. Np is the short form that we have given for NumPy, and now we will make an array. We will make a one-dimensional array so that it's easy to understand. So we're gonna make one, and now we will print this, and here we got the result, and this is an array of 6 elements. And now we're gonna use the arrange function so that we will get certain values in the interval we have given. So to do that, we will again assign some value, for example b, and now we're gonna use the arrange function, and here the spelling of arrange differs and it has only one r. So we need to be given, and now we're gonna, for example, take an interval of 100 to 100 to 150, and here this function will print the values between these intervals, between these values, and here we will put print p. Control enter, and see, as you can see that we have got the values from starting from 100 and which is ending at 149. And if we need to exclude this 100, then we have to put 101 to 150, and so that the 100 will not be counted and it will start from 100, 101. But in the closing interval it will take the value one before. That's why it has taken to the value 149. And now we're gonna make an array, and now we're gonna make a matrix using an array function. And to do so, we will first if we first write the array function as it is. We'll write it as array np dot array, and now we're gonna put some bracket, and now we're gonna put another bracket, and now we're gonna put a square bracket to put the values in this. So we will take 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3. This is one set. And now secondly, now we're gonna again put a square bracket for other values. And at last we're gonna put, as it is a 3 by 3 matrix, so we need 3 columns and 3 rows. And so we'll put some more values in it. And here it is. And now we will see the output here. I need to change the bracket, and it should be a it should be a square bracket. And here, and now we will print this. As you can see, we have printed an array. It's like a 3-dimensional array, as it has written all the numbers separately, not in the same line. We can say it as a matrix also. And now we're gonna use the random function. And for so do that, we have to first import the random function from NumPy. So for that, we use a from key, NumPy import. These are no this import from are the keywords, keywords. And now we're gonna import random, and now we'll write some example. And this random function help us to pick any of the random value within the given interval. For example, we'll take an interval from 1 to 2, and it will pick any random number between them, and every time we runs it, it will give us a different value. So we will do accordingly. So it is equal to random Now here the uh, now here the random function will generate the value between 0 and 1. Let's see what's the answer. See here we got an answer of 0.938, and after we this will be different all the time. Now we will again run this. See now the value is 0.096 and it will be differ every time. And now we're gonna make a matrix for a matrix using a arrange function. And to do so we will write np dot arrange, and here we will put the values, and it will automatically assign the values accordingly. And now we're gonna put the use the reshape function to know the length of the matrix. There are many types of matrix: 3 by 3, 2 by 2, and so on. Now we're gonna make a 4. Now we're gonna make a 5 by 5 matrix, and so to do so, and now we will print. And here we have got a matrix of 5 by 5. And now we will find out the sum of this matrix, the sum of the elements in this. First of all, we can also get the specific value in the matrix, and to do so we'll just type print mat. And for example, we need the value 14. For do so we will put the column number and the row number accordingly, and so that we will put and as in Python it starts from 0, so it will start like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore there are 4 rows and starting from 0, and 4 columns starting from 0. So to get the value of 14, we will write it as 3 comma 2 comma 3. Let's see. As here it is coming an error. I don't know what happened. Yeah. See, we got 14 as the answer, and now we will find out this. Now we will find out this sum of the elements in this matrices, and to do so, we will just write paint dot sum, and we will open up an empty bracket. And now we will get the sum of the matrix. And now at last we need to find out the standard deviation for the given matrix. And to do so we will write e dot std and a bracket, and now we will press enter. And here as you can see we got the standard deviation of the matrices standard deviation of the elements in the matrix. And now we gonna do something using the pandas library.